There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, ho, ho. Look at that, you guys.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to RC Car Garage. And as you guys can see, we have the FCX24M Tacoma here on the desk. And I have got to say, I love this thing. This thing is really nice. FCX, FMS, I mean, they did a very good job with this body. And it looks absolutely awesome. One of the things that it is lacking is weight down below. Because, again, this is a hard body, and it's top heavy, so there's no weight down below, and this guy keeps on tipping over. If you guys saw my last video, you'll see that. What I actually want to do in this video, I ordered some Batrazzi wheels. These are the 0.8-inch Sheriff beadlock wheels. I'm going to be putting these on. It has brass rings on them. Going to be putting them on here. And I also ordered the Batrazzi Country Crawl AT 0.8-inch tires that are going to be going on here also. The first thing I want to do before I put those wheels on, though, I want to take it out to the mini crawler course, just so you guys can see again how this guy does on the mini crawler course, because it is top heavy and it does roll over a lot. And I think with the Batrazzi wheels, this thing is going to be a little more planted than it is stock. Again, it's a hard body, so it's going to tip over. If it was a Lexan body, I don't think it would tip over as much. But again, hard body, so it is top heavy. The other thing, you guys let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. So I have this right here from the Gladiator SCX24 Gladiator body, extra body that I had. I actually used the SCX24 for my, where is it? Nissan Pathfinder that I did a build. I'll post something here that you guys can check that video out. And I used a SCX24 Gladiator chassis for that body, and I had the Gladiator body extra just sitting around, so I decided to take this piece off. And lo and behold, you guys, this piece actually fits on inside the bed of this thing. Let me know what you guys think. Should I put this piece on here? Obviously, I am going to mount this on. Should I do that, or should I leave it off? You guys let me know down in the comment section below. I do actually like it with this piece on here. I think for the trail, that just looks absolutely awesome with it. But again, let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. So without further ado, let's take this guy out to the mini crawler course, see how it does, completely stock, and then we'll come back inside, put the Batrazzi wheels on, take it back out, and do another run. Let's go.
So as you guys see, we got some snow here on the course, but the hard part's going to be over here. Let's see if it'll make it up there. All right, that's the first tip over. Again, because there's no weight down below, that's the first tip over. There we go. Almost one again. gear. Let's see how it goes. Always hangs up on the bottom there because of the transmission, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see it right there. Always hangs up. FMS, I wish they would have made that a little smoother. There we go. Now we went over. All right. Now I know here last time she would tip over a lot. So, and there you go. Tipped over again. Let's try it again. If I can go a little slower. And again. All right. Pick another line here. Go this way. And it just tips over. So there you go, you guys. You see it. It tips over a lot because it needs weight down below. So let's go in. Let's go put the Batrazzi wheels and tires on this thing. Bring it back out here, and we're going to test it again and see how it goes. The wheels are on, as you guys can see, the new Batrazzi wheels, and I think they look absolutely awesome on here, guys. And the tires. So let's test it out and see how this thing does now. We're back in first gear, and let's see if this ends up making a difference. That's my fault. Wrong line. That was the wrong line. Let's try it again. Maybe I should have cleared out some of the snow. All right, let's try that again. Pack that little bit of snow down. All right. Here. The snow does not help. The snow does not help it at all, you guys. But I will tell you, I think these wheels look absolutely awesome on this thing. Still in first gear. Let's go around that way. So far, this thing seems like it's doing a lot better with these Batrazzi wheels and tires. Especially the tires are grippy. Let's go this way, where it's tippy. There you go. Look at that. Help here. There we go. There we go. And back to where this guy will always tip, right here. And she's still good. All right, so she's gonna need some more weight down below. Still. Let's do this different line here. Come on. There you go. Nice and slow. There we go. All right. Got out of that one. Go along here. Get that a climb. Oh, maybe not. The snow wasn't helping me at all. Stuck in the back there. No, definitely ain't helping it. There you go. All right, let's see if that'll. Yeah, that bottom of the train definitely does not help it. So let's go back this way, back over the course, because we just went that way. Now we're going to go that way. That's what I didn't try with the stock wheels and tires, but it made it up here. Come on, there you go. She made it up there, no issues, guys. This way. Of course, I'm picking up harder lines to go through here. All right, I got myself in a bind right there. Let's go a different route. Oh, I got myself some. There we go. All right, let's try side hilling. Let's try the side hilling with this and see how it does now. There we go. So you guys can see, there it is on the side hill. Stock. Stock tires, this thing would have had tipped over already. But these Batrazzi wheels and tires helped it with that side hilling right there. Let's go. Come on up. Come on. I dug a hole right there. There you go. Right there. Come on up. I don't think it ever made it up this way before. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, ho, ho. Look at that, you guys. No problem at all with that. So there's another little area here. I would like to see it go up. See if it'll at least get the front end up. Right here. Guys. That right there does not help. It just grabs it and that's done. Yeah, so another big problem that the FCX24M has is the bottom part of the trans right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. It just hangs down way too much and it hangs it up a lot. Now, yeah, granted, this isn't a rock crawler, it is a trail truck, and I will tell you what, I think with these tires and wheels, especially these wheels, you guys, this thing just looks absolutely awesome. So there we go. New Batrazzi wheels and tires on the FCX24M. Did it make a difference? It did make a difference. It helped it. But this guy still needs some more weight down below. So guys, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Y'all have a good one. Keep RCing.